Hi, everybody. Adam Scott here from Halipad Real Estate, where it's your move. And today, I just want to introduce my new and latest episode on the Great Scott podcast. There's a raccoon in my crawl space, and I will let Dan Boyd from Anchor Home Inspections explain that a little bit more. You just have to listen to the episode. But we learned all kinds of great things in that episode, little tips and tricks about keeping your home more efficient. And one of them, my favorite, never did it before myself, and I went home that night and I said, this is what we're doing. Set it and forget it, which essentially is if you have a heat pump, you just turn it on automatic, you set it to the temperature you want, and then you forget it. And you leave it like that all winter long, all summer long. Again, Adam Scott here from Halipad Real Estate, where it's your move. Did you get all of it?